Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to write with the pen on the Cricut machine. Here I have Design Space open. You can select text and change the font to one that you want to use. I'm going to choose this one here that I've downloaded. And I'll type in hello. So that's one option. You can use a font that you have downloaded to your computer and type in a word or phrase or whatever you want on your own. You can also go to images, select ownership, and select free. And if we scroll here, there's some cool free ones like this one, this too shall pass. I'm going to insert the image. And at the top, instead of basic cut, I'm going to select pen under the draw option. So then the pen will draw this out. And same with this one. I'm going to go into this and select pen. It draws the outline, it won't be filled in. So next I'm going to select make it and continue. And I'm putting this on medium cardstock. First I'm going to put some cardstock on my cutting mat. So here I just have some scratch paper. You can also use the free material that comes with your purchase. It should be in the box. Next I'm going to grab my pen. So this was included with my purchase. It says Cricut and it's a 0.4 tip in black. So now I'm going to open clamp A and I'm going to load in the pen with the arrow facing down. And then I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to load in my mat. After I unloaded it from my mat, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it can write and draw for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!